There they go. There's one. Right here, you're gonna lay down all the way. Bend your knees, hands go out to the side. You're actually stretching the front.
Like pulling this apart.
Yeah. Anything here?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Turn, yeah. I go right into here. There you go. Yeah, it's a rough one there. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. These are more sensitive. Any colds or anything like that?
Nope.
Okay. Okay. So you got C1 and C2 out, chin back. There's one. Very good. How did that feel?
Good.
Is that okay? Because now I got to go the next one down. It's a little deeper, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Ooh. Right. There she is. Perfect. Is that okay?
Yep.
Breathe. This one's easy. Chin back. Good. Right here. Ooh. Yes. You did it. Hardest one. Hardest one out of the way. Chin back. That's it. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I know it's a shock.
No, it's good.
First time, it's like, ooh. Especially if you haven't had it done in a while.
Yeah, no, that wasn't bad.
Weight isn't too badly distributed, though.
No.
Mm-mm. Oh, baby toe, sorry. It's like, there we go.
A nub.
There we go, perfect. Does the same thing happen? Hold on, look at the knee. Here we go, good. I'm gonna pull you down the table, okay?
Okay.
Pretty good. Right there. And then hands go on these little pads. Perfect. When I do this, like in the low back or anything like that.
No.
Okay, and I'm gonna move this up this way. Pain here?
No.
Any pain here?
Nope.
Anything?
It just feels like tight.
Anything especially like into here?
No.
Same thing with this one. Any pain here?
No.
No. And again?
No.
Nothing? Even if it's on this side, you know?
It just feels like tight.
In the front of the leg?
In the front and then like a little bit like when you do that.
Where? In the here?
In the side. Like on my leg.
On your leg?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Got it. Is this where you say you're having the pain?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, this is sciatica. It's big sciatic nerves. Right there, you can feel it.
Mm-hmm.
Anything change when I press here?
No, it actually feels like it's releasing something
Okay,
in my lower
good.
back.
Good, good. That's good. That's a good sign. So what I have to probably do is open up these holes.
Okay.
That's a strange concept, but they're little holes where the nerves come out.
Mm-hmm.
So here we go. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Let it all the way out. Yeah, they went in no problem. Again, little pinch and then gone. When you use the arms, it lifts the rib cage high.
Uh-huh.
So I'm coming in here and I'm pushing them back down
Yeah.
in the reverse motion of what you do. So the ribs are sensitive when they go back down like that.
Mm-hmm.
So here we go again. And out, be as quick as I can. Oh, I gotta go a little deeper. Can I grab your shoulder? Yeah. Uh-huh. Deep breath in. There they go. Perfect. Breathe. Roughest ones. I get all the bad ones out of the way. Okay. Deep breath in again. Good. Perfect. Any pain on your chest?
No.
Okay, good. And again. Oh, excellent. These went in.
Okay.
Great.
Not bad.
Well, that's your area that you're hurting.
Yeah.
That's giving you the referred pain. I'm going to pull.
Okay.
A little pinch. Perfect. Deep breath in. Exhale. Get into there. Good. So breathe. I'm going to push on this knot. Right here. Yeah. Good. Breathe. Short sits there. Excellent. That's it. I'm going to go through your ribs here. There's some ribs out of place. Here we go. Tickles a little bit. So here we go. I'm going to open these up. Breathe. Here we go, here we go. There it goes. Good. Okay, perfect. I'm not sure if you can tell, it's just really spasmed over here.
I can feel it.
Yeah, it's on the other side. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one apart over here on this side. I'm working my way in. You stop me, okay? It's pretty deep in there. This one's just lingering. Yeah, right in there. Okay. But this one let go. So I'm gonna work on it a little bit more with the scraper, but it's getting hot. So I'm gonna distract you a little bit with the feet, okay?
Okay.
Just kind of move some of the blood down here. Like, okay, big thoughts down here instead. You check your feet here. Big knot there. That's from standing.
Oh yeah, I rub them all the time.
I know. That's nothing wrong. Just big. That's just a thick muscle.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Like me. So I'm just standing on them. It's like a big workout for the feet. There it is. Good. Perfect. Just for my purposes, I want it to loosen up just a tad.
Yeah.
Okay. This is just going to pull some blood into here, okay?
Okay.
Working on that superficial layer of tissue. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just like one little spot, but not too bad.
Mm-hmm.
That little one here. You can feel the squishy, like edema.
Uh-huh.
Go into your ribs a little bit.
Okay.
Again, into the ribs. Doing okay?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna go over to here. That's what I'm saying. Here we go. You tell me, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So let me investigate this arm behind your back for me. That pops the scapula up. So I can kind of get underneath there. I got you. Relax here. That's it. Breathe. And here we go. And again. This arm up. Good, good, good. Worst is over. But, well, no, I lied.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Okay, okay. Well, here we go. Need definitely some more work done in here. We all do. Anytime you work with your hands, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You can just relax that down. There you go. Too much?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Breathe. Go into here. Ow. I might have to push on that a little bit with my elbow.
Okay.
It's pretty tight here.
Mm-hmm.
Up and then again. Come up into this corner. for a second. Hey, it's feeling pretty good. All right, it's not bad. Head back for me. Take a deep breath in. That should feel good. There's a little pocket of fluid there. Good. Come on and sit for me. There you go. Sit as straight as you can. We should have more motion now. Good. Elbow back. Just your elbow right here into mine. Yep. Perfect. Lean away. Ooh. Sore wrists.
About that.
Yeah. Elbow back. Oh, yep, that's all I'm gonna go. So that one's loose. And I'm not gonna go push into that one, okay? Perfect. Just setting these bones, trying to push them back to neutral is what we call it. And lean away. Perfect, good. There it goes. So I'm gonna reach in here.
Okay.
All right, deep breath in. There we go, I got you. Any pressure on your chest. There you go, there's one.
Oh, I felt that.
Yeah, is that okay?
Uh-huh.
It's deep.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get a couple of more. Good, and there's one up higher. Perfect. Down. Okay, now have a seat on the ground. You did it.
Like this?
Yeah. Right here. You're gonna lay down all the way. Kind of center it for me. Bend your knees. Hands go out to the side. You're actually stretching the front.
Like pulling this apart.
Yeah. Whenever you feel like getting off. It's been about 5 minutes. Now come on back and I'm going to show you how to get off. Sorry. All the way back. Hands like this, and then you're going to roll to the side. Perfect.
Like that?
That's
it?
ideal. That just keeps the stretch as you come off. I know.
Oh, this is cool.
One day.
You'll have it.
One day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it has your name on it.
I know. They did such a good job, too. Like, just to find a company to glue all the pieces.
Yeah.
We're there. We're like halfway there.
Yeah.
And we're just lucky we have, like, anything on our hands.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, how do you feel?
I feel really good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you're feeling like it's coming undone by, like, tonight, go. If you have a foam roller, go ahead and lay on it.
Mm-hmm.
Just keep it up in
Good.
here.
I could feel it stretching. And releasing. Releasing here and opening up here.
You can do it yourself at home.
Okay.
You know, you can do that. Just think of it more up here.
That crack?
Think of it more up in here. People
Okay.
place it here, and I'm like,
Yeah.
up
Do it in
here.
here.
Yeah.